Down in Key West where the sunsets glow, you'll find pink feathers in the breeze that blow. From the Florida Keys to Miami Vice, flamingos strut and life feels so nice. Oh, flamingos, you should be our state bird. Pink plumes flying high, let your voice be heard. From the sands of Key West to Miami's bright lights, flamingos, you're the spirit of those tropical nights. Jimmy Buffett sings of a laid-back life, with flamingos dancing in the moonlight. In the Florida heat, they bring a cool grace. Their vibrant colors, a smile on every face. Oh, flamingos, you should be our state bird. Pink plumes flying high, let your voice be heard. From the sands of Key West to Miami's bright lights, flamingos, you're the spirit of those tropical nights. In the heart of Miami where the neon shines, and in every beach town they draw the lines. On every ticket they're a lucky charm. Flamingos, you belong in our arms. Oh, flamingos, you should be our state bird. Pink plumes flying high, let your voice be heard. From the sands of Key West to Miami's bright lights, flamingos, you're the spirit of those tropical nights. So raise a toast to these pink delights. In the Florida sun, there's such a sight. Let's make it official, let's spread the word. Flamingos, you should be our state bird.